How do I receive money from Zelle?
Hello and welcome to this simple tutorial. Today, we're going to cover a topic many of you have asked about: how to receive money from Zelle. Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send and receive money, and we're going to guide you through the steps to receive money through this service.
What is Zelle?
Zelle is a digital payments network backed by many of the country's leading banks. If you have a bank account in the US, you can use Zelle to send and receive money directly between almost any bank accounts in the country, typically within minutes. With Zelle, you send and receive money using an email address or mobile phone number.
How do I know if I can use Zelle?
To start, check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle. If your bank or credit union offers Zelle, you already have it in your mobile banking app or online banking. You don't need to download anything else. You just need to have a bank account in the US. If your bank or credit union does not yet offer Zelle, your weekly send limit is $500.
How to receive money from Zelle?
If you've received a notification that you've received money from Zelle, follow these steps. Step 1. Look for a message or email from Zelle or your bank or credit union. If your financial institution offers Zelle, you'll be directed to your bank's mobile app or online banking site. Step 2. Open your bank's mobile app or go to their online banking site. Log in using your credentials. Step 3. Verify the payment. If you've never used Zelle before, you may have to go through a setup process. This usually involves linking an email address or phone number to your bank account. If you've already done this, you may be able to skip this step. Step 4. The payment will typically appear in your account within minutes. If you're new to Zelle, it could take up to 3 days for the money to appear in your account after you verify your email address or mobile number. Remember, if you're receiving money from Zelle and your bank or credit union doesn't offer Zelle, you'll need to download the Zelle app to receive your money. And that's it. Receiving money with Zelle is a breeze once you've set it up. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't hesitate to drop any questions you might have in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.